Write the net ionic equation for the following reaction that occurs in the aqueous solution. Identify any possible spectator ion or ions. Alright, we're given two reactants, calcium hydroxide and nitrous acid. Alright, so this is a neutralization reaction, base and acid. So first of all, for us to get the net ionic equation, well, we gotta have an equation. Right now we only have reactants. Let's predict our products. Alright, using the common sense in double displacement reaction, exchange partner, calcium is now going to get together with nitrite ion, and hydrogen of course have no choice but partner up with hydroxide. So our prediction of the two products are CaNO2 H and OH should give us water. Alright, now before we call for N for day here, calcium and nitrate and nitrite, what kind of charge they have? This is apparently an ionic compound, and charge need to match up. Calcium has a +2 charge. Nitrite, well, is only -1. Not enough. Put on a set of parentheses, put a 2 subscript 2 there. Now we're good. Okay, now these are the two products that we're supposed to get. Now we got the molecular equation. Now let's see if we can get our net ionic equation. Alright, to get net ionic equation, we need to identify all of our reactants and products. Let's label them. Calcium hydroxide is a base, and a strong base at that. Nitrous acid is an acid. It doesn't belong to our 7 strong acid list. HCl, HBr, HI, HNO3, HClO3, HClO4, and H2SO4. That's our 7 strong acid. Nitrous acid, not in there. That's a weak acid. Calcium nitrite is a salt. What kind of salt? Soluble, insoluble? Our solubility rule says most ionic compounds containing nitrite ion are soluble. Okay, so soluble salt. Water is no doubt a regular molecule. Now let's see if we can break it apart into ionic equation. Strong base, break it down. Calcium ion and hydroxide ion. 100% dissociation shown. Weak acid, partial dissociation. Well, leave them alone. Soluble salts, strong electrolytes. 100% dissociation. All ions. Molecular compounds. Nothing. And just realized that I forgot to balance my equation here with the 2 and the 2 here. So let's correct that. So after we break down everything that we could, strong base, soluble salt was broken down. Weak acid, molecule were left alone. Now we got a full ionic equation. If we can cancel anything from the full ionic equation, those things would be your spectator ions. Let's see, do we have calcium, calcium. 2 plus, aqueous, cancel. Calcium 2 plus is a spectator. Do we have any other ones? Not really. Okay. We've got only one spectator ion, and the result now is once we get rid of calcium, you can see that the 2's can actually be all cancelled. Good. Hydroxide, HNO2, NO2, and water. And that is the balanced net ionic equation for the reaction.